Hello everyone, my name is Chandas and welcome to my channel Workaholic. So in this video I'm going to discuss about the two job role, that is first is your telemarketing and sales job and the second is your PPT slides. So do see the video till the end, don't skip the video. And before that, do subscribe my channel because we need lots of motivation and hard work to work here, and your every subscription is our motivation. Okay, let's start it. So the first job is your telecalling and sales job in Towing. So Towing is basically an e-learning platform for the kids. So apart from regular studies, they teach young kids related to your lifestyle skills and all. Okay, so to work here you need to have a smartphone, no laptop, nothing. A smartphone is enough to work here, and salary package is around 8 to 10k. So the requirements to work here is you need to have a good communication skills, and English proficiency is very important. Also you need to have means convincing skills. You need to convince people, so that skill is very much important here. Now working here, what are the benefits you will get? So since it's an internship job, actually means the job is contractual for around 5 to 6 months. Okay, so if you work here, then you will get some benefits, like obviously you are getting the salary, obviously first thing, and the second thing, you are getting the certificate you are getting, and you are also getting a letter of recommendation from the company. And now let's talk about the work, means what you have to work as a telecaller. So as a telecaller, your work will be to initiate conversation, means you need to contact schools. School means 3-4 schools or in a week, I think. So you need to contact schools to schools, and you need to convince them to take workshops. Okay, so basically your work will be to contact different schools and make them convinced to take workshops, and then after that you need to book the workshops for that particular school. After that you need to give this information to your higher command, and that's your work. So basically you will do all this through email, chatting, and through phone calls. So obviously you will not need any laptop or anything. Okay, phone is enough to work here. So that was about the first job, that is telemarketing and sales job. Now let's talk about the second job role, that is your PPT slides. Okay, so that job role, PPT slide, is in Lenskart. I think many of you have heard the name Lenskart. It is also an e-learning platform. So salary package is around here 10 to 15k. This is also an internship job, so you will get all the benefits, like you will get obviously salary, then your letter of recommendation and certificate. Everything you are gonna get here. What are the requirements? So you need to be very good in PowerPoint here, and you need to have a good proficiency in English. Now what you need to work, means as a what you have to know before working here. So you have to be, as I told you have to be very good in PPT slides, and they will assign you some task related to PPT slides, and you have to create slides according to the company. Okay, and like storyboards and something. So it's all about PPT slides and all. So if you're good in that, you can easily work here. And number of opening is around 10 here, and this work is for around like 5 to 6 months. Yeah, almost 6 months you will work here. You will get the training. Okay, here. So that's all about it, about the two job role. So if you're interested for the first job, that is your telecalling and sales job, go for the first site. If you are interested for the second job, that is PPT slide, go for the second site. Both link I have given in the description box. Go and check it and do apply. So if you still have any queries related to both the jobs, you can comment me down in the comment box. And I think both are very genuine, because both I have gone from Internshala site. So I think both are very much genuine, because Internshala, as you know, it's a very reported and genuine site. So all the jobs there are very genuine as per me. Still, you yourself apply it and let me know. Okay, so if you like my video, do press the like button, share it with all your friends, and I'm going to bring lots of videos. So subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get all the notifications. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.